Once upon a time, there will a boy named Ravi. He will live in a small village. Every morning, he will see other children going to school. But Ravi will not go because his family will be very poor. He will feel sad, but he will not lose hope. One day he will sit under a tree and will think, one day I will study hard. From that day, Ravi will start learning by himself. He will read old books that he will find in the village. He will write on the ground with a small pieces of chalk. He will practice every night under the light of a candle. People will laugh at him. They will say, "You will never succeed." But Ravi will smile and will reply, "I will prove you wrong." Days will pass, months will pass, and year will pass. Ravi will keep working hard every single day, and one day he will become a great teacher. Everyone in the village will respect him. He will build a small school for poor children. He will teach them for free and will tell them, if you believe in yourself, you will achieve anything. Because Ravi will know hard work will change your life, faith will open your door, and courage will make your dream real. So remember, your future will shine if you will believe in your today. The moral of the story, you will become what you believe.